how to create quiz in Quizizz. So if you want to create quiz in Quizizz, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Quizizz. After searching, you need to go with quizziz.com, and here you need to go with log into your account. But if you've not created any account, then you can go with sign up and you can create an account. So I'll just continue with my Google. Once you've created, you need to go and log into your account. Now after logging in, if you want to create quiz, then after logging into your account, now you just need simply go with create, which is on the upper left, and from here you can simply choose any option that you're comfortable with and go with create a new activity, and then you can import your worksheets or generate with AI or create from scratch. So I'll go with the third option. Now here you can go with multiple choice quiz or fill in the blank quiz or passage or match, drag and drop. You'll have all of the other options right here. So I'll go with the multiple choice, the first one. And here you need to type the question and then type the answer option right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 options, and this is the question. And if you want to add another question, you can go with plus, which is on the right side. So just enter the question, and then here you need to type the answer options. And after that, you need to enter the question. And after that, you need to mark the correct answer. And after that, you need to go with the plus, which is here on the right side, and you'll be able to add another option. Or if you want to go with another question, then you can go with the next one. And you will also have the points right here and the timer and the topics, the answer explanation if you want to add that. So you can go with save question, which is on the top right, and the question will be saved. That's how you can create quiz. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.